Easy way to learn nouns. In English grammar, a noun is a part of speech, or word class, that names or identifies a person, place, thing, quality, idea, or activity. Most nouns have both a singular and plural form, can be preceded by an article and/or one or more adjectives, and can serve as the head of a noun phrase. Common noun. A common noun names any person, place, thing, activity, or idea. It's a noun that is not the name of any particular person, place, thing, or idea. A common noun is one or all of the members of a class, which can be preceded by a definite article, such as the or this, or an indefinite article, such as a or an. Examples: boy, girl, children, bucket, shovel, sand, park. Proper noun. A proper noun names specific or unique individuals, events, or places, and may include real or fictional characters and settings. Unlike common nouns, most proper nouns, like Fred, New York, Mars, and Coca-Cola, begin with a capital letter. They may also be referred to as proper names for their function of naming specific things. An example: Michael, Jennifer, Nizar, Sarah. Proper nouns are not typically preceded by articles or other determiners. Concrete and abstract nouns. A concrete noun names a material or tangible object or phenomenon, something recognizable through the senses, such as chicken or egg. An abstract noun, by contrast, is a noun or noun phrase that names an idea, event, quality or concept: courage, freedom, progress, love, patience, excellence, and friendship. An abstract noun names something that can't be physically touched. Count and mass nouns. A count noun refers to an object or idea that can form a plural or occur in a noun phrase with an indefinite article or with numerals. Most common nouns in English are countable. They have both singular and plural forms. Many nouns have both countable and non-countable uses, such as the countable dozen eggs and the non-countable egg on his face. A mass noun, advice, bread, knowledge, luck, and work, names things that, when used in English, cannot usually be counted. A mass noun, also known as a non-count noun, is generally used only in the singular. Many abstract nouns are uncountable, but not all uncountable nouns are abstract. Collective noun. A collective noun, such as team, committee, jury, squad, orchestra, crowd, audience, and family, refers to a group of individuals. It is also known as a group noun. In American English, collective nouns usually take singular verb forms and can be replaced by both singular and plural pronouns, depending on their meaning. Thanks for watching.